Okay, so what you're doing at this time is looking at these towers, figuring out what pattern is happening. So we started with $1, then we have $4, $7, $10. If this pattern continues, class, can you tell me what the next tower will be?
13.
13. Why 13?
Because you're adding 3.
Okay, so you notice we're adding 3 each step of the building of the towers, right? So now, if this pattern continues, I want you to figure out how many cubes will be in the 10th tower. Use any math method that you desire. How many will be in the 10th tower? So I'm going around and seeing what you've built so far. I notice some of you are using addition. Some of you are creating a sequence of numbers, tallying it. Okay. Some of you are actually drawing the towers. Interesting. Now, I want you to tell me pros and cons to the method you're using to figure it out.
After every number I add 3.
Okay. So that's a pro because you know exactly what to do. You're adding 3. What's a con? What do you think is like, it takes long, right? What if I asked you for the 100th tower? Are you going to sit there?
No.
But would a calculator help?
Yes.
Yeah.
But do you still want to be pressing +3 100 times? Even though it's a calculator,
No.
do you want to be pressing a button 100?
No.
This is why algebra was invented.
To help us with this?
Yes.
Mm.
Because people realize, okay, I notice a pattern, but I'm not going to sit there and keep adding 3. That's called recursive. Everyone say recursive.
Recursive.
Recursive means you need the previous step to get the next step. So it's 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. It takes too long. So algebra is a method that's where equations come from. We use equations so we don't take long. So we could figure out an equation so that we could figure out the 100th tower or the 10th tower. We know the pattern is adding by 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What happens when you keep adding 3 over and over and over again? What's a shorter way of adding many 3s?
Multiplication.